Hello YouTube. I am back with another video on the iPod Touch. If you listen closely, I'm going to show you how to get a soundboard, or not a soundboard, but like a lock sound. If you all listen really closely, you can hear mine. That's mine. I just don't have my volume, so there, now it's up. All you gotta do is, you want rock for this one. I like rock a lot more. I'm sure you can do it with City App. I like rock a lot more just because it just takes a lot of time to load up, and my last video took forever. Just go to categories. Okay, and then you want to go down to where, until you find, let's see, you want to go down until you find right there. See, it says themes and sounds. And then you're going to get all these sounds. Alright. Now, you'll probably find a sound that you want, but if it says SMS like that, then you don't want it. Trust me, you don't want it if it says SMS. Let's find one here that I can actually. Hold on, let's just find at least a decent one that's worth downloading. Let's just do Fallout 3 sounds. Okay. Then you'll get to this and make sure it doesn't say SMS in there. Go to install, go to confirm, and then that'll download. Okay. And then right once that's done downloading, here, I'll show you guys. Hold on. It's halfway. This is actually pretty cool. I like the lock screen. I mean the lock sounds and unlock sounds. Alright, it's installed. And then all of you, you gotta have Winterboard. That's not the icon for it. I just have a theme. Go to Winterboard. And then once, if you don't have Winterboard, all you gotta do is just go like to rock. I think, yeah, just rock, and then just go to Winterboard, just download Winterboard. Fallout 3 sounds, you just check that. Then just press the home button and you'll get the loading symbol right there. Now you just wait until your iPod reboots. It's just redoing your, don't worry, it's nothing's gonna happen to your iPod. It's just rebooting your information and installing the thing that the sound that you just put on. Okay. I'll wait for this. Okay. That's that sound. And that's the other one. And like I said, you can get a bunch. I have the Lil Jon locks and unlock. I'm going to show you my favorite theme, maybe, if I can find it. It's right there. It's called High Tech. Just put high, HI -tech. Just push the middle, loads. I just got this background today, so it's decent, I guess. I don't really like it as much. Wait for that to load back up. Alright, and that's the background. And then your load screen will be one of these little silver ball things, but it'll be spinning, and that's your other load thing right there. It'll just show a green bar. It's pretty cool, I guess. I mean, I like it. Anyways, that's my video to all of you. I hope you liked it. You guys, please, rate, subscribe, and comment. Once again, thank you all very much for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Thank you. Bye.